Okay guys, here's our first layout for the kitchen. So this is of course the size and scale. And looking on the plan view, these lines here represent 42 inches, which is what we had mapped out for a walkway from the front of the fridge leg. The island length is 66 inches. This is a 24-inch wide space for a freezer, 2-drawer freezer, and each of these are 21 inches wide. And notes have the countertop at 42 inches from front to back, the depth. So what I remember, we had 12 inches hanging off the back of the island of countertop. I may be wrong in that. So here, the countertop would overhang 12 inches for bar stools. So that puts these cabinets here at 10 inches deep for storage. Trash, freezer space, 3 drawers. There's a drawer above here. This window is the correct width and offset from the corner. Your apron sink, centered on the window, dishwasher, and then this is a little drawer stack. But that leaves, from the left side of this cabinet, 25.5 inches to the slider. So I know you're going to get a piece of furniture to put in here, so just planning for that. The range width I have at 36. Not 100% confident that's the correct width, but if so, 14 3/8 wide cabinet on the left, 14 5/8. We'd balance that out to make them both 14.5. 36-inch freezer. The top of that, we need to have 84 inches, and that leaves space for that decorative piece on top. So from the top of this to the wall, we've got 21 and 11. Mind you, we have the beams coming through there, which I think are going to take up about 6 inches. Glass, and the interior of that would be maple. That's glass. I know we were thinking about doing this whole corner glass, but the bottom's at 56, and these are 42 inches tall. This door here is, I only need, if we do a blind corner unit, I know you guys looked them up, they're pretty expensive. But if we're going to do a blind corner unit, I only need about 19 inches. So we have a few inches extra. We could put a skinny cabinet right here to shorten that up to about 18 and just do shelving in here. But this is just a preliminary layout to see what this looks like to size and scale. So let me know what you think. I'll email you the elevation views so you have some measurements and we can keep looking back and forth. Thanks, guys.